Hello and welcome to the front seat of the van. Winter is coming. It's raining outside, as you can possibly hear. And for those of you who are thinking of using your van in winter, I say congratulations. I live in the van all the time. Now, some of you use your vans for winter sports, and this is what I'm going to show you today. This looks like a device for milking cows. However, what it is a device for keeping your shoes dry, or not so much shoes, but rather boots. And it works like this. This bit here attaches to the heater in the, you probably do it in the garage or in the bathroom of your vehicle. So that attaches to there. You turn the heating on, and this bit here goes into the shoes. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any ski boots or anything like that, but I do have some shoes. And what you do is you'd stick that into your shoe like that, and you've got 4 of them, so you've got 4 shoes. And so there's a couple of you who've got 2 legs, or maybe you're a horse and you use all 4. And that's the idea. It's to dry out your shoes. It could be very useful for those of you who are into that type of equipment. Fortunately, I can't do a demonstration because I don't have the appropriate stuff here. But anyway, that's number 1. He's also, this mate of mine, he's come with another thing as well, which is this. What's that? That's a clothes peg. I'll show you this clothes peg works. I didn't know what these were actually. Where I'm at, I showed them. I said, I know what that is. What happens here? This is for the awning. This slides onto your awning, like that, outside the vehicle. You've got a peg, and then you can sort of either hang up towels, for example, which might be wet from the beach or something like that, or alternatively you can hang up towels or other things which will protect you from the shade. It's a way of getting an awning, a wall to your awning, which doesn't come with the awning, so to speak. So goes on like that. Of course, it doesn't go all the way round because the metal bit is only at the front of the awning. But anyway, so it attaches like that, and then you can put on. This comes in units of 6. I've just put 3 out here. Sorry, it goes the other way around, like that, and hangs down in that way. So if you're interested in this type of thing, I'm going to put his details below. You can contact him directly via his website and this really interesting product. And thanks for listening.